name is Yana and you are on my channel blah 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 web development, and today I want to tell you about some JavaScript challenges about prime numbers and Sophie Germain's prime numbers. So let's get started. Number. Prime number, it's a number that's greater than 1 and it can be divisible only by two factors, by 1 and by itself. For example, we have number 5. It can be divisible by 1 and can be divisible by itself. What about number 9? It can be divisible by 1, can be divisible by 3, and can be divisible by itself. So, number 9 is not a prime number because it can be divisible by 3, by 1, and by itself. And number 5, it is a prime number because it can be divisible only by 1 and only by 5. So let's create a function that will return true if our number is prime and will return false if our number is not prime. Function, let's call it is prime. We will have here some number. First of all, we need to check if this number greater than 1. If it not greater than 1 or equals 1, our function will return false, because our number is not prime. Prime numbers can be only greater than 1. Next, if our number equals 2, our function needs to return true, because 2 it is a prime number. It can be divisible by 1 and can be divisible by itself. Next, we need to create some loop. It will be from 2 until our num but not equals to num. And if our number divisible by any of these numbers from 2 until num, so it equals 0, this, if it's true, it will mean that our number is not a prime number, so we return false. And in other case, our function will return true. Let's check how it works. Is prime. For example, let's check number -9. It will be false. If we check 8, it will be false again. And if we will check 5, it will be true. So looks like our function works correctly. Let me show you some numbers. For example, 2, 3, 5, 11, 23, 29. These numbers are Sophie Germain prime numbers. What does it mean? For example, we have number 5 and this number 5 is prime. Let's check it with our is prime function. Is prime 5. So it's prime. And also if 5 multiplied by 2 plus 1, if this number, it will be 11, will be prime 2. Let's check it. Is prime 11? Yes, it's prime. Will be prime 2. It means that number 5 and number 11 are Sophie Germain prime numbers. So let's create a function that will return numbers from 2 until n of Sophie Germain prime numbers. Function, let's call it get Germain, and it will take some number as a parameter. Let's create variable, call it result. It will be an array of these numbers, Sophie Germain prime numbers. We need to create some loop from 2 until n, and if e is prime, so we can use our function is prime, and number e multiplied by 2 plus 1 will be prime 2. This means our numbers is Sophie Germain prime numbers. Is prime. What we will do, we will push this number to our result array. Push e. And our function will return result. Let's test how it works. Get Germain. For example, we want an array of numbers from 2 until 100. 100. And we have an array with our Sophie Germain prime numbers. So thank you for watching, and if you like my video, just press like and subscribe to the channel. I will be happy to see you again here.